Winnie,
Oh, hello.
we have a problem. You work with the Creality store, right?
Yes?
Oh, we have a big problem. Cyber Monday, Black Friday specials. They start November 10th.
Yeah.
I just saw the promotional material. The prices are all wrong.
Oh, what is wrong?
Well, this is the Ender 3 V2.
Yeah?
It sells for $279.
Yeah.
It's on sale right now for $129. There must be some mistake. There must be some mistake.
Oh, there's no mistakes. It's real.
$129
That's right.
for the Ender 3 V2.
Yeah?
Oh, I mean, that's great, but I saw also filament 2-packs, like this one here. 2 kilograms of filament.
Yeah.
It said it was $25. This is $45.
Oh, it's no problem. It's $25.
Does your boss know that we're doing this?
Boss said it's okay.
I think you're gonna get in trouble. $25 for 2 kilograms of
Yeah.
filament. And, I mean, I already have one, but Sonic Pad,
Yeah.
it said it's on sale for $118.
Yeah.
$118.15.
Of course. Yeah.
So $118, Sonic Pad, runs Clipper, can change the Ender 3 V2 to Clipper-based, increase the speed, and use filament. All of this, $118, $129, $25.
Yeah, it's great. Great pack.
This is incredible. People are going to be buying this like crazy. Okay, but that's not the only ones. Sure, those ones are okay, but there's new products. Some of the new products are on sale.
Yeah.
This can't be right. Let me show you this one. This one here, this is the other one. There's gotta be a mistake because this is the K1.
Yeah.
This prints at 600 millimeters per second. It's $599.
Yeah, the original price.
But the Black Friday, Cyber Monday price is,
$399.
no, it's impossible. This is $200.
Yeah, you can enjoy the best price during the Black Friday.
$399 Black Friday, which is November 10th to November 30th.
Yeah, that's right.
So K1 or
K1 Max.
K1 Max, 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters. It's a monster.
Yeah.
But the K1 Max is usually $899.
Yeah,
Come on now.
original.
I can't even take it anymore. I'm so
Okay.
afraid for your job.
Okay.
How much?
I'm gonna say the best price. That is the $719.
$719?
Yeah.
$719.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable. November 10th to November 30th, K1 Max.
That's great.
I want them both. Okay,
Oh.
but there's more specials. It's not just printers with filament, also resin printers, right?
Yeah, we have.
So this is a resin printer. This is the Hallett Mage.
Yeah.
This is regular $379, and I saw on the promotional material that it's $229.
Yeah.
I'm really worried we're selling these for too little because this is $229. The curing station, the UW01,
Yeah.
is on sale for $99.
Yeah, that's right.
And then resin is regular $40 for a bottle, $39.99.
Yeah.
And it's on sale for $18.
18, yeah.
Okay. So this is the Creality Falcon 2 laser engraver, 22 watt. Oh, I love this machine. It's regular price, $719. I can't do it. My wife won't let me spend $719.
But
What's the promo price?
you can enjoy the best price during
Okay.
the Black Friday. We have the $575.
$575.
Yeah.
Oh, my wife is gonna kill me. November 10th to November 30th, all those prices are accurate.
Yes, you have 20 days to order that.
And all those prices are right.
Yeah, it's right. That's
Okay. Okay, well, that's a lot. That answers all my questions. All right, thanks a lot, Winnie. I guess I'll just go and work on the rest of the ads, so.
Okay, wait. Kevin, we still have other promotions.
What? There's more?
Yes. I'm gonna show you the 3 more promotions.
But the amazing prices are the promotion. That's how Black Friday, Cyber Monday works. It's great prices starting November 10th to November 30th. That's the promotion. You're
Yeah.
saying you want to do 3 more promotions?
Yes, I'm gonna show you.
Winnie, you're gonna get in so much trouble. Okay, what's the first one?
The first one, that is the every customers who just browse our website, then they have the chance to join our lucky draw.
So they go to the official store, they place an order, and they get entered into a draw.
Yes.
Everybody who buys something.
No, they don't have to order anything.
What?
They just
Winnie, you can't give things away to people who aren't buying stuff.
Yes.
What can they win? What are the prizes?
okay. They will have the chance to win our 3D printers.
A 3D. Oh.
Yes.
A free 3D printer. Okay.
Okay. And then you will have some coupons for this sale.
So coupons. Let's say I'm gonna buy this beautiful K1.
Yeah.
And then I'm already getting $200 off. I could enter a draw and win more discounts.
Yeah, that's right. You can use on this.
Wow.
On your orders.
November 10th. I gotta remember that date. November 10th. I'm gonna go on the website. Okay, so that's the first one. Everybody who goes to the website
Yes.
can enter the draw.
Yeah.
The second one,
The second one, that is if your order is over $4.99, then you have the chance to share the 10,000 gift card.
so Creality is going to give away gift cards worth $10,000,
Yes, that's right.
and anybody who spends $500 or more
Yes, that's right.
can get some of those.
Yeah, can get some of those.
So it's random. It's
It's
random.
random. Maybe you will get $5 or $10 or $50.
$50. If
Yeah.
I could get $50 more off of a K1 Max, the K1 Max is so big. During Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we have more coupon codes,
Yes, you have more coupons.
and we're not hiding the coupon codes anywhere. Just everybody's gonna know the coupon code.
Everybody gonna know, and they can use that.
So if they spend $199,
Yeah, they can save more $5.
$5. I mean, it's a coffee. If
Yeah,
I
a
spend
cup of
$399,
Yeah, $399, then you can save the $10.
this is $399.
Yes.
I can save another $10 automatically. So you're telling me really the price of the K1 is $389.
Yes.
Not
that's
to
right.
mention the other draw.
Yes.
Not to mention that I want the Hallett Mage and the curing station, and I need some resin. I need some filament. I want the laser engraver. If I spend $1,299,
Yes.
how much will I save with a coupon code?
Oh yes, you can enjoy the $30.
Wow. I think I can easily get my cart to one. Wait a second. November 10th to November 30th. November 10th.
Yeah, November 10th.
November 10th.
November 10th.
Black Friday,
Yes.
Cyber Monday sales. November
Yes.
10th to November 30th.
Yes, you have 20 days to order.
But I only have a few days left before November 10th.
So you need to go hurry.
I need to get to the warehouse.
Let's
November
go.
10th. Don't forget, I'm out of here.